Check this bad boy, guys. He's playing at the same time he's doing Kung Fu. Watch. That's the kick. That's the fist. Watch now. Look. He's a Kung Fu cat. He's a Kung Fu cat and he's happy. Watch. He's making that engine noise and he's happy at the same time. He's cleaning himself too. Look at that. He wants this every morning. He wants me to play with him. Whoa, bro. You kicking? You fisting? Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be a gentle bite. He's not gonna bite me. He's just likes to play early in the morning. And he loves that. Every morning he wants me to just play with him. Do some martial arts. Martial arts. Are you a Kung Fu? Are you a Kung Fu cat? Ooh. Look at this. Look at his big feet. See? He's okay. He just wants me to play with him. Look at that tail. It's a happy tail. But look, now if you want to play with this guy, he's gonna kick you. Damn, look at that. Oh, whoa, bro. You're not that good at kicking. Whoa, look at that. Look at these big feet. If these big feet kick you, that's it. You're done. Look at that. See that? I cut his nails, but they're still dangerous because they're big. Bro, how you been? Look, he just like that. You wanna play again? All right, let's do it. The Kung Fu cat. My God, he's so fast. Look at that. And you can see, you can hear that noise that's coming from his. When he gets happy, he sounds like a engine, like a car engine. So he does sound like right now like an engine car. That means the guy's playful and he's happy and he wants to play. That's your feet, bro. All right. Let's do some boxing. All right, my friend. You're a good boy. Ooh. That's enough. No more. Now he's a happy boy. Just wants to play. That's what it is. Right, Peter? Good boy. No, not anymore. Enough, okay? Enough. You're a good boy. I don't have all day, bro. I can't play every day like that. He wants 24/7 to play. Just like that. Look at these big feet. Is that your feet? Now he's cleaning himself. Good boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's Peter, guys. That's Peter. All right, you take it easy, okay? Peace. Happy boy. Look at that. Let me see his face. He looks very happy. Are you a happy boy? He wants to play again. Look. That's enough, my friend. That's enough. All right, that's enough. Peace. There you go.